Hello guys, Craven here. Thank you for joining me today. It's a Saturday, and you know what that means. I'll see you in there. But what I want to do today is unbox these mail calls. I know who this is from, and I'm sure you do too. So let's open it. Just before I do, I'm going to open this. It's something that I've been waiting for, and I'll explain what it is in a moment. This is a 33mm tube, and this will hold my silver half crowns with a capacity of 18 in total. I've currently got 6 to put in here, so I'll be doing that shortly. And I guess what we'll do is complete a fill a tube challenge as per Stacker Social. So there we go, there's that. Let's open this one first. It's not my birthday today. I feel like it is. Have a great birthday. Okay. Oh, what was that? Everyone knows that I love beer, so thank you. Look at this. I know exactly who this is from. This is from Benson's Coins, and he has very kindly sent me one of his amazing poker chips. I honestly couldn't speak higher about Benson's Coins. He is a fantastic person. I enjoy speaking to him regularly, and he has really good content on his channel, so you should definitely check him out. I am looking to get myself something to, hold all the poker chips. So if anyone makes them in Marketplace or can recommend one, I'd be really interested, because I want to put all of these circular poker chips into a bit of a nice fancy stand. Apart from yours, Nemo, because yours is square, because you had to be different. Only joking, mate. I absolutely love that, and I will have to find some sort of custom-made poker stand that will hold one square one just for you. Very kindly, Benson, written me a note. Craven, you are absolutely smashing it, and love the channel, my friend. I really enjoy watching your videos, and keep up the good work. Hope you enjoy the poker chip, from Benson. Smiley face. Thank you so much, mate. I really appreciate that, and I will cherish the poker chip. Hopefully, when I get sorted, my backdrop can look even half as good as yours does, Benson, because it's so impressive. I really like the light you've got. Second mail call. Nice poker chip. This is from Gold Silver Hunter, otherwise known as GSH, another well-known member of the stacking community and member of Stacker Social. That's awesome. Really nice. Great poker chip, mate. Thank you for sending me that. It will join the growing collection. Oh, you son of a... He also sent me these. A lovely GSH sticker with a dinosaur on. Thank you, mate. And a bookmark as well. Read, save, stack, save, watch stack videos. FOMO, Paul. That's really good. Thank you, mate. And last, but certainly not least, we have a package from Primo. I wonder what's in here. Hazard a guess in the comments. He sent me 2 of his excellent design stickers with a gas mask on there. That's really cool. I honestly can't wait till I get a backdrop and I can put all of my stickers together in one place. I'm thinking of doing something similar to what Jamie Frost has done, which is laminate the stickers, put magnets on them on the back, and stick it to like a whiteboard so it can be portable, because one day I could be filming in one house, the next day I could be somewhere else. So I do need something that's portable to work for me. So these are excellent, and they will definitely go on that whiteboard when it happens. Thank you, Primo. But you've also sent me... what's in here? Some coins. Nice. We have, and I love the purple on this as well. That really stands out, mate. We have Primo's poker chip. Delighted to have that. And it's another one to go in the stack. I kind of want to get everyone's poker chip in the community. I absolutely love collecting these poker chips. And, if you're watching this and you have a poker chip, or you don't and you'd like one of mine, I will happily send you out this along with a sticker anytime, or do like a swap with you. I'm up for that. So just drop me a message in the Discord and we can sort that out. What's he included in here? Just open the slip. This is very kind of you, Primo. So Primo has given us a 1959 sixpence. Thank you. This looks to me like a 1 shilling that. And this one is also 1959. Thank you. That's very kind, mate. I wasn't expecting that. You don't have one of these. Halfpenny 1982. And it's shining nicely. So, 3 very generous gifts from Primo there. I really appreciate that, as well as everything from GSH and, of course, Benson's Coins. Thank you so much, guys. Before we wrap this up, I just want to ask, what do you guys think of the brand new 1 ounce silver 4 bar? I was very fortunate. If you haven't seen my last video, I got this in a mystery silver package from my girlfriend, and it's absolutely stunning. And that will sit alongside my 1 ounce Odin bar from the same collection, the Viking Gods from the Royal Mint. 4 9's fine. Really nice piece. So I'm really happy with that. Let me know what you think. On that note, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Smash the like button for me. And remember, if we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2025, I will be getting a tattoo decided by you. See you in the next one.